This course is designed to benefit anyone who utilizes wood for various purposes, be it in construction, furniture making, toy manufacturing, or any other industry. Throughout this course, we will delve into the crucial aspects of wood, focusing on its natural durability, the factors that influence this durability, the associated risks, and methods for identifying the intensity of these risks. Additionally, we will explore various technologies related to wood usage. Our discussions will also touch upon relevant European standards. By successfully completing this course, you will gain a fundamental understanding of this subject matter. This knowledge will not only enhance your current practices, but also pave the way for further studies and exploration in the field. Wood, a natural resource, serves humanity in multifarious ways. Moreover, it stands as a renewable resource, setting it apart from many alternatives. Wood's distinction lies in its eco-friendly nature, offering a means to mitigate carbon emissions. However, a critical challenge arises from the substantial demand for wood, surpassing its rate of growth, leading to deforestation through tree cutting. The remedy lies in matching supply with demand through responsible tree cultivation. Consequently, wood remains one of the most exceptional materials available for human utilization. Furthermore, the tactile sensation of wood continues to delight people, even in the bustling urban environments of today. Throughout history, wood has been a prominent choice as a construction material. Abundant evidence substantiates this fact. For instance, the Mbkkedhuaala in Kandy, Sri Lanka, stands as a remarkable testament to the ingenious use of wood and advanced carpentry techniques from centuries ago. In Sri Lanka, numerous historical ruins reveal a common pattern. A rock base and some structural elements remain, while the rest has decayed with time. We can reasonably infer that the missing components were likely crafted from wood and have gradually deteriorated over the years. Similarly, we can uncover a plethora of historical examples attesting to the extensive utilization of wood in construction across diverse civilizations. Even in contemporary times, wood continues to hold its position as a primary construction material worldwide. It finds application in numerous iconic architectural marvels recently erected. Furthermore, in everyday construction projects, wood plays a pivotal role, utilized extensively for flooring, decking, doors, windows, and even structural elements. Wood's utility extends far beyond construction, as it is embraced for a multitude of purposes. Whether it's crafting furniture, producing children's toys, fashioning kitchen items and cutlery, or even manufacturing tools, wood serves as a versatile choice. Remarkably, despite the presence of budget-friendly synthetic alternatives, wood remains the preferred material for many, bearing testimony to its enduring appeal among humans. Nonetheless, people actively explore alternatives to wood for a variety of reasons, including cost considerations, limited supply, and environmental concerns such as deforestation. However, the primary factor driving this quest for alternatives is wood's comparative lack of durability when measured against other available options. In the realm of construction, materials like concrete, steel, plastic composites, and various others are often favored due to their proven longevity in numerous applications, surpassing the durability of wood. Therefore, the preservation of wood assumes paramount importance as it serves a dual purpose in aiding humanity. Firstly, it contributes to cost reduction by extending the service life of wooden applications, thus minimizing expenses associated with repairs and replacements. Secondly, it plays a vital role in environmental conservation by reducing the demand for synthetic alternatives and curbing the need for tree felling. Hence, there exists a compelling need to advance wood protection technologies and disseminate this knowledge. among industry professionals to realize these significant benefits.